In today's video, I'm going to focus on simple mat exercises to help us to build leg strength in the glutes and hamstring area, strengthening our posterior chain. For those of you who know anatomy, you will also say that our back is also the posterior chain. Yes, but that's the upper body. I'm not going to focus on that today. In today's video, I'll focus on the posterior chain of our lower extremities. And this is, it doesn't look like much, but it's actually very, very important. It's important because this is where we really work on our glutes, and we use our glutes to help lengthen or kick the leg out. What I mean by that is this. So let's do it together. Straighten the leg out. Turn out the leg as you did just now, yeah? Point your toes. Bring it out to the side, and this time see if you can bring it out to, it's in line with your pelvis or your knee, okay? And then you're going to keep the leg turned out, lift it up, flex. And from here, imagine your leg is on top of a table, yeah? And you're going to push out with your knee pointing to the side. And in this case, your body will be tilted. And that's okay for this one, okay? Straighten out completely, connecting your sit bones and your glute muscles to the end of your leg or your heels. And one last time, straighten out and back. Bring it down. This is what I call the Bruce Lee kick, because for those who know martial arts will know that the leg strength actually comes a lot from the glute strength, and the heels plays a very important part to actually give the momentum, okay? Out, turn out, bring it up. From here, you're going to bend the knee, flex your foot, keep your knee pointing to the side, and lengthen out this way. So imagine your leg is doing this on top of a table so that you don't drop your knee. You can exhale each time you straighten the leg out to give you that extra connection to the core. And last time, coming back in. Bruce Lee kick, because here, sit bones connect right down to our heel. So when we kick, the extra momentum engages the glutes, the hamstrings, all the way to the heels, and the energy that comes out from here is actually quite dramatic. And you can give somebody a good kick in the butt if you do it this way. I have taught this to many clients, and a lot of them end up doing this. The toes point straight down. When it comes to here, it also points straight down. When it comes to bending the leg, they also point the knee straight down, and they end up kicking this way. You see how the leg is slack? When you don't have the turn out, when you don't have this, and when your knee point down, you're essentially not going to feel much, and you're not doing much, okay? You're just flicking your leg, and that doesn't build any strength. So pay extra attention to pointing your toes, turning your leg out, bringing it out to the side to be in line with the knee, and in this same angle, bending the knee, keeping the knee open to the side, and actually your entire foot is facing diagonal, okay? It's not facing back, it's not this way, it's facing diagonal, and from here your kick is also diagonal. Because if you face down, your kick could just be backwards. Okay, here, we don't want that because When you start doing this, you don't feel anything, and suddenly the movement feel slack, feel kind of too easy, and your body kind of rock a little bit back and forth as you kick because you've got no engagement, activation, or tension here. Not quite right. Any questions? Please leave me a comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your feedback on, what you think or how you feel doing those exercises. And please do it with me, because with my verbal cue, you will help you to engage to your muscles better. With that said, I also want to say, look out for my next video. Turn on the notification bell, because it's going to be part 2 of this leg strengthening video. But I'm going to focus on standing exercise. It may or may not involve the quads, but the glutes and the hamstrings for sure. So make sure you stay tuned to that. We can never get enough of leg strength. I'm going to say thank you for being with me. Thank you for your participation, your viewership. Do like and subscribe. It will help me a lot to grow my small channel at this point, but I really, really want to grow this community with a group of movement enthusiasts, movement believers, movement lovers who want to improve their bodies through mobility and inner muscle strengthening. So with that, keep moving, keep getting better, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.